Good evening, everyone. I'm Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about Slack co-founder discusses need for hybrid work tools. Microsoft introduces AI-powered assistant Copilot for Office 365. Try acknowledges technical issues with Do Not Disturb DND app and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below. And don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. Infinix is gearing up to launch the Smart 8 HD in India on 8th December, succeeding the Infinix Smart 7 HD model. The phone boasts a 90Hz punch hole display, offering a smooth and responsive visual experience to users. Featuring a 6.6-inch HD Plus display with a peak brightness of 500 nits, the Smart 8 HD promises vibrant and clear visuals. Designed for comfort, the phone includes a textured back panel, providing users with a secure and comfortable grip. Users can choose from a range of colors including crystal green, shiny gold, timber black and galaxy white, allowing for personalization. Notable features include a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, UFS 2.2 storage and a Type-C charging slot, catering to modern user preferences. The predecessor Smart 7 HD was priced at Rs 5,999 for the base model, and a similar pricing strategy is expected for the Smart 8 HD. Running on Android 12 based XOS 12 custom skin, the phone is equipped with a Spectrum SC9-863A1 chipset, 2GB LPDDR, 4X RAM, 64GB storage and an additional 2GB extendable RAM. Powering the device is a substantial 5000 mAh battery with 10-watt standard charging support, ensuring long-lasting usage for the users. Next we have Realme set to unveil the GT5 Pro on 7 December in Shenzhen, China, introducing a powerful and feature-rich smartphone. The smartphone boasts a 6.78-inch 1.5K AMOLED display, providing users with an immersive and visually stunning viewing experience. Offering impressive performance, users can opt for configurations with either 16GB or 24GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 1TB UFS 4.0 storage. The device is expected to excel in photography with features such as a Sony IMX890 sensor for its telephoto lens, a 50MP Sony LYT T808 sensor with OIS, and an 8MP OmniVision OV0810 ultra-wide angle lens. Realme has collaborated with ArcSoft to enhance the photography features, focusing on delivering a relaxed and excellent photography experience to users. With a substantial 5400 mAh battery, the GT5 Pro supports 100-watt wired and 50-watt wireless charging, ensuring convenient and efficient charging capabilities. Running on Realme UI 5 based on Android 14, the GT5 Pro promises a smooth and feature-rich user interface, while global and India launch details are pending confirmation. The Realme GT5 Pro sets high expectations for a powerful and innovative smartphone. A recent study by Switch On Business affirms that Google and Amazon are the favored choices for Apple employees seeking new opportunities. The study reveals Google as the most sought-after destination for former Apple employees, with Amazon being the second most preferred company for the switch. Meta leads in having the highest percentage of employees with prior experience at another tech giant, showcasing its appeal to professionals. The study focuses on the big four companies Alphabet, Amazon, Meta and Apple, which are considered dream companies for many tech professionals. After successfully joining one of the big four, the study explores the decision-making process for professionals looking to make their next career move. LinkedIn employee profiles were utilized to determine the current employee count for a select group of tech companies, providing a comprehensive overview. Meta has the highest percentage of employees with prior experience at another tech giant, while Google attracts the most tech talent overall. The study sheds light on the preferences of Apple employees and the factors influencing their decision when considering a switch to other tech giants. Cal Henderson, co-founder of Slack, shares insights into the evolving landscape of hybrid work setups and the need for new tools to support employees. The pandemic has accelerated changes in workplace habits, catapulting the industry forward by 5 or 10 years according to Henderson. Slack's capability to integrate with various applications positions it as an efficient choice for customers, especially in the context of hybrid work models. Henderson sees an opportunity in this shift as new models of work will necessitate an entirely new set of tools for collaboration and effective teamwork. The pandemic accelerated digital work habits significantly, with no observable change in Slack's usage even as people return to offices in the post-pandemic era. Over the last 6 to 9 months, Slack has been actively developing new products to meet the evolving requirements of hybrid work environments. Hybrid work setups have become the new default for many activities, making home office environment more suitable and flexible for collaborative work. Microsoft unveils Copilot, an AI-powered assistant for Office 365 designed to enhance user productivity by summarizing documents, writing emails, and attending meetings. Copilot is intended for organization-wide deployment and seamlessly linked with Microsoft apps like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and Teams. With a casual chatbot style, Copilot is user-friendly and accessible even to non-tech workers, making it an inclusive tool for diverse user groups. Powered by OpenAI's GPT and utilizing DALL-E 3 for image generation, Copilot simplifies tasks such as reading through lengthy email chains, summarizing key points, and even representing users in meetings. While personalization features are under development, Microsoft encourages users to treat Copilot like a new and inexperienced intern, emphasizing cautious and informed usage. The introduction of Copilot marks a significant step towards AI-assisted workflows within the Office 365 ecosystem, offering users a more efficient and streamlined work experience. Next, we have the Telecom Regulatory Authority of India, TRAI, acknowledges technical issues with its Do Not Disturb DND app, designed to block unwanted calls and texts. Users have reported glitches in the app, prompting TRAI to address the identified bugs and enhance the overall performance of the DND app. TRAI's Secretary V. Raghunandan assures users that the authority is actively working on resolving these problems to improve the app's functionality. The DND app, aiming to enhance the mobile user experience in India, engages an external agency to address compatibility issues and is expected to be universally compatible by March 2024. While the app has contributed to a reduction in bothersome calls and text, compatibility hurdles with iPhones remain, and efforts are ongoing to address these challenges. Over 270 million active users in India have reported around 5 million spam calls daily, and the anticipated improvements in the DND app aim to provide a more effective solution for users across different devices. At last, OnePlus 12, OnePlus 10th anniversary flagship is set to launch in early December 2023, offering unique color options and customization features. The device, featuring wood grain finish options, emphasizes its design and incorporates Hasselblad tuned camera technology. OnePlus focuses on camera capabilities, introducing a periscope telephoto camera and Hasselblad tunings for an enhanced photography experience. The OnePlus 12 aligns with the brand's legacy and represents a milestone in its smartphone evolution. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for the latest tech news. हेलो दोस्तों, क्या आपने अपने डिवाइस में कभी DCIM नाम का फोल्डर देखा है और सोचा है ये क्या होता है? DCIM का फुल फॉर्म है डिजिटल कैमरा इमेजेस। ये एक स्टैंडर्ड फोल्डर स्ट्रक्चर है जो आपके डिजिटल कैमरा या स्मार्टफोन से ली गई फोटोज और वीडियोस को स्टोर करता है। तो अगली बार जब आप अपनी फाइल्स को ब्राउज करेंगे तो आपको पता होगा DCIM का क्या मतलब होता है। सब्सक्राइब बटन को क्लिक करना मत भूलना फॉर मोर टेक इनसाइट्स। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट शॉट में।